if it's not Mpumelelo trending week after week for saying something bizarre or doing something bizarre, guys, on the trailer of the next upcoming episode of Izingane Zesthembu, we see Mpumelelo basically, he is out and about with two of his elders or uncles. We really don't know who that is. We will find out who those men are. But they look like they are in search of cattle. And Mpumelelo is basically saying that he needs to correct or he needs to right his wrongs by basically seeming like paying damages for sleeping with a virgin. Now, guys, there are some cultures, especially some Zulu cultures, even if you aren't planning to marry the girl, especially if the girl was attending those schools, or they call schools, those schools where the girl goes for virgin testing. If she's no longer a virgin and she used to attend those virgin testing schools, you as the guy who broke her virginity, you are liable to pay a penalty fee to her family and sometimes even to that Hlolaring school. So we don't know, you guys, if Mpumelelo is speaking about Unosipho. Remember, Unosipho, guys, is the virgin wife that he's been speaking about marrying a virgin wife. So asazi, guys, if these damages, if he's speaking about, if he's going to pay for Unosipho, but at the same time, he's still speaking about, he says that this is the way I want to do stuff when I go and get married, take out cows or take out cattle for the woman. So I'm like, then it doesn't really make sense of why he'd speak about it in as two separate events if it was Unosipho, because it doesn't seem like this event he's talking about is about marriage. It looks like it's about just taking out just taking out the penalty of actually sleeping and taking the girl's virginity. Now, I really thought it was Unosip, and I can't wait for this episode, guys, and I really do hope that it's not her, because hey, girl, like angazi, but maybe it could possibly be a good thing for her, because maybe she'll see his true colors. But I saw someone's comment on Instagram when they posted this trailer, and this girl or this guy or whoever it was commented and said they saw somewhere that this trailer it's actually about Mpumelelo taking out penalty fees penalty fees for another virgin girl, not actually Unosip. And I'm thinking to myself, guys, if it's another virgin girl, this guy, what is his aim truly? What is your aim of sleeping with virgin girls and then like you're not gonna even marry her because you plan on making her number three since Uvuyogas is gone, or what's the purpose? Like, what's the purpose of sleeping around with that is so annoying, guys. Like, it's so annoying. And especially to think there's some guys who find pride in the fact that they were the first ones to sleep with a girl or break her virginity. It's just like extremely annoying. But anyway, we'll see which one is it. I really hope for Unosipho. Hey, Unosipho indaba yakhe, I don't even want to speak about it anymore, because at this point angazi ukuthi at this point I really don't know ngoNosipho. But anyway, we warned her. But you know one thing, guys, the public, in as much as we are not in a person's relationship, at times we really get to see things from a different perspective that people who are in the actual relationship don't get to see it. So at most times, you guys, we are right. Did we not tell Vuyogas by hey? And then, but anyway, Vuyogas is one we're gonna speak about it in a different video. But anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.